Hello, my name is Cheryl Dawson. As a certified Harrison Assessment Solutions partner for over 14 years, I am passionately committed to helping talent and organization development leaders, coaches, and consultants achieve their professional, practice, organization, and client goals through the implementation of Harrison Assessment's talent system. This brief video overview is designed to introduce you to the benefits of becoming certified in this award-winning next-generation behavioral assessment system. Whether you are an internal or external coach or consultant, Harrison Assessment certification applies across the full range of talent disciplines. As a research firm, Harrison Assessments has created a technology and behavioral assessment system that stands alone in the industry. Since it assesses 175 traits and competencies, with research for over 6,500 position success templates, you will be able to select the appropriate matching template to use for various selection or development applications. Harrison Assessments is a global and innovative research organization on the leading edge of talent decision analytics that enable organizations to achieve integrated talent management. Harrison Assessment's talent model demonstrates that talent decision analytics is the very core capability required across the talent cycle for organizations to achieve talent and business objectives. Harrison Assessment's underlying premise is that talent relationships are the basis for performance success. By effectively measuring employee and employer needs, Harrison facilitates alignment of mutual needs and achieves the results organizations desire. The return on investment is phenomenal. In fact, Harrison Assessment's talent decision analytics pay off across every business metric. The business case for talent behavioral analytics is compelling. Harrison Assessments provides the solutions all organizations need over the next decade to select and develop the right talent for the right roles. Harrison Assessment's comprehensive and highly researched talent systems stands alone in the behavioral assessment field. We will address the reasons for its unique value proposition in the next few minutes. Harrison's research has raised the bar to accurately predict fitness for position, team, and organizational culture. The ability to customize and benchmark cost-effectively and the ease of applying a wide range of reports for various talent applications results in a very high return on investment. The enjoyment performance theory is foundational to Harrison's system. Simply put, what we like is what we do and is what we get good at. When people enjoy at least 75% of their work, they are 3 times more likely to succeed. Leveraging this reality both for the individual and the organization pays big dividends. The enjoyment performance connection underlies Harrison Assessment's research for over 6,500 job success formulas. As you see from this model, the Harrison Assessment system enables organizations to measure both the eligibility or technical competencies as well as the behavioral or suitability factors. Both sides of the circle are important to predicting success. While most style and behavioral assessments focus on a very narrow range of personality traits, Harrison Assessments measures 175 workplace preferences, including interests, values, interpersonal, and other competencies for increased accuracy for all types of jobs, functions, industries, levels, and cultures. customization, and benchmarking enable organizations to increase predictability for their unique roles and culture. Harrison Assessment's paradox theory reveals individual stress behaviors. In the Job Success Formula reports, paradox imbalances identify potential derailers, which often are the most difficult traits to predict, yet create significant performance problems and turnover. Simply defined, the paradox is the result of integrating two seemingly contradictory behaviors that are really complementary and both contribute to an individual's success. This page is a high-level view of the paradox information available in Harrison Assessments. It provides a peek at the depth of understanding gained both by the individual and the internal professional or external coach. This one page facilitates a discussion that often takes 30 minutes or more to glean insight into the individual's strengths, areas of improvement, blind spots, and their impact on performance and relationships. Each of the 12 paradoxes has a detailed report to facilitate the discussion and understanding, which can then be utilized in various applications and interventions. The benefits of paradox for internal and external coaching is formidable, enabling achievement of coaching goals in a fraction of the time required for the typical coaching process. It is profoundly revealing and helpful to achieving individual and organizational goals for development. The paradoxes are a powerful resource in coaching and training interventions to facilitate development of interpersonal and leadership competencies. They are also highly valuable in team and cultural change initiatives. As a certified Harrison Assessments consultant, you can apply the many reports available in Harrison Assessments to facilitate an array of applications. Improving predictability for selection and reducing the cost of sourcing are just some of the benefits for the pre-hire application. The Manager's Resource application can save organizations enormous costs related to engagement and retention. Providing supervisors and managers with practical, job and employee-specific trait and competency information transforms managers' ability to effectively engage, develop, and retain their employees. In the hands of all leaders, this set of reports alone can drive significant ROI. Whether implemented internally or externally, Harrison Assessments facilitates succession planning from the C-level to the rank and file through meaningful talent analytics that support alignment of employee and employer needs. Career development is considered the top need for retention of millennials, and Harrison Assessments provides the behavioral tools needed to accomplish this cost-effectively. For both internal and external coaches, Harrison Assessments elevates coaching success in helping individual contributors, high potentials, and leaders excel. The team reports for the paradoxes, along with the full report for team members, collaboration competencies, and the group engagement and retention reports all support team and organizational development, as well as cultural transformation. As a certified Harrison Assessments consultant, you are able to measure engagement behaviorally, facilitating change management for both improved performance and enhanced culture. By measuring each employee's expectations as well as motivators, Harrison Assessments Engagement and Retention Report helps in creating a culture of shared responsibility for engagement. This model acknowledges that both extrinsic organizational factors on the right, as well as the intrinsic factors of expectations and motivators on the left, impact engagement, retention, and business results. Yet the intrinsic factors generally are not measured in traditional engagement surveys. Harrison Assessments complements traditional engagement surveys, filling the need for an effective measure of intrinsic factors. It provides a detailed behavioral analysis of the individual's expectations and motivators, revealing behavioral and attitudinal gaps and providing actionable strategies for change. The individual report is a supervisor's dream tool to facilitate performance, career development, and mentoring sessions. For learning and development professionals, the group report is a needs analysis goldmine. It facilitates identification and design of targeted interventions for specific groups, such as high potentials, generational groups, or divisions. As a Harrison Assessments consultant, you are able to implement behavioral competency measurement and development for a host of interventions. While organizations have invested a lot of time and money in competency development, measurement of leaders against custom models is subjective at best. Harrison Assessment solves that measurement void with effective competency mapping, and then, with the same 30-minute survey used in all other applications, organizations can generate the requisite reports for the competency measurements needed. There are many standard competencies included in Harrison systems, as seen here. Let's look at 3 special competency models that are high priorities in most organizations. Harrison Assessments has mapped the emotional intelligence competencies based on Goleman's work to provide a transformational set of competencies for leaders. Understanding their EQ strengths and areas of improvement is very encouraging to leaders at all levels. When leaders identify just 1 or 2 specific traits for which development will impact their performance across a number of competencies, they get excited about committing to behavioral change. Rather than changing who they are, they realize that focusing on development of specific traits can improve their relationships and performance. This improvement enables them to accelerate achievement of their career and advancement goals. The what's in it for them factor is a huge incentive for change. Harrison Assessment's 10 leadership competencies are based on the research of Jim Collins' Good to Great and are weighted for emerging and experienced leaders. These can be used as is or customized for the organization. If organizations have their own leadership competencies, they can be mapped to Harrison traits to effectively measure gaps and implement development and succession plans. Harrison Assessment's radical collaboration competencies are based on Jim Tam's 20 years of research and can transform teams and organizations. Collaboration is essential for global and dispersed teams to perform effectively in a constantly changing and dynamic business environment. Across industries globally, effective collaboration is crucial to compete and succeed. As a certified Harrison Assessments consultant, you enhance your own competencies in your areas of practice. Whether applied for talent acquisition, talent development, employee engagement, succession planning, cultural transformation, or career guidance. Harrison Assessments' 1 30-minute survey, an innovative, integrated talent management technology, facilitates achievement of employee and employer goals. That's amazing. Based on Harrison Assessment's research in paradox technology, enjoyment performance, eligibility and suitability success factors, professionals and organizations can implement the applications in Harrison Assessment's Assessment Center that address their most pressing needs. I hope my passion for Harrison Assessments has captivated your desire to learn more. Honestly, you have to experience Harrison Assessments to believe its amazing capabilities. And I offer a complimentary assessment with debrief so you can see for yourself the mountain vision Harrison Assessments provides. I look forward to partnering with you to achieve your professional goals and your clients' or organization's transformational goals. Call me today to explore the next step to Harrison Assessment certification. You will be glad you did.